Hello guys, this is how to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing when your phone is locked. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and open up our settings. Click on notifications. Look for WhatsApp. And then we're gonna ensure that all the notification types are enabled. Then we're gonna scroll down, open up more settings. As soon as we get to the notification settings on WhatsApp, just ensure that. And then what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to click on the three dots on the top right corner. We're going to reset notification settings, click on reset. And then we are going to go back to our settings. Let's go back again. And then what we're going to do now is we are going to click on permissions. Let's just ensure that all those permissions right there are allowed. And then we're going to go back. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and open up WhatsApp again. Then we're going to open up our WhatsApp settings. Click on chats. Click on chat backup. Then we're going to back up our chats. And that right there, after it's backed up, that should fix the problem. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful. And thank you again for watching.